Hey, this is Hannah with GrantFrog, a grants management system to help you track and find grants. I'm going to show you how you can use the Grant AI Writer to help write your grant proposals and applications and refine and edit them. There are several options in GrantFrog. You can write an executive summary, you can write a project description, a project summary, generate grant project titles, or you can enhance your grant narrative, which is essentially editing it to refine it and improve it. So I'm going to show you how this works. You go over here to the Grant AI Writer, and let's start with the project description. So you can click Generate Project Description, and this will tell you a little bit about what this will output. So here you can enter an overview about your project or program. Now you can make this really short. You can add a little more detail to it. Depending on what you put in, it may refine it and output more information. So in this example, I'm just going to paste in an example of what I'm requesting, how much, what the project or the program is for, and what it's going to do. You could also add information such as your outcomes and things like that, just to help with that project description a little more. So once you do that, all you need to do is click Generate Project Description. Now, depending on the length, it may take just a few seconds, but here we have our project description. And this starts with an overview of what the project or the program is about, what the issues and the need are. Now, this specifically calls out a statistic and data point. You do need to verify this, and if you have your own data, input that as well here, but just verify that it is valid. And then you have the project purpose, what it's doing, and the objective. You have the specific goals that your project is doing, so you can edit those as needed depending on your organization's actual goals for the grant project. There is also a timeline section where you can edit the timeline option, and then the expected outcomes of that. So that is a general project description of this. Now let's jump over to the project summary. I'm going to put in the same information here and then click Generate Project Summary. Now, based on our project, we get this 4 to 5 sentence summary of the entire project as well. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and write an executive summary for this grant. Going to put in the same information and click Generate Executive Summary. And we have a summary of the project as a whole. Now that we have that, let's jump over to the grant proposal titles to come up with a helpful title for this grant project. And it gives us 5 different titles based on the project that you can use and adapt as you see fit. And the last one we're going to do is the Grant Enhance. And I am going to pull the project summary. I'm going to copy that, put that here. And essentially this will rewrite it into a different version. Now we have the same information, just written in a different way. So this is helpful if you need to reword or edit some of your grant proposals. And that's how you use the Grant AI Writer in GrantFrog. Try out GrantFrog for free for 14 days and try it yourself. You get so many credits depending on the plan that you choose. You get some credits when you start the free trial as well. Try it at grantfrog.com.